possible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. I see a blue candle forming here. Let's see if it holds. Maybe we'll take a quick trade. It went away. See what happens, and then we'll look at what the market did overnight. Yep, what away. So let's look at the market overnight. It's like we started rising up yesterday afternoon, and then continued. Look at that beautiful bounce off that trigger point. Wow, almost perfect. So that was our high there, 23.31, our low, 213. So about 120 points in range on the NQ. ES, 822 all the way down to 800. I could do that math, 22 points. Kappa, only about 80 ticks. Slow night on Kappa. Looks like the Ultra Bond was having a good day. Over about a point and a quarter in range there. Gold, trying to rise back up. Hitting highs of the day right now. Looks like about 18 points in range. Crude, big dump on crude. Big fall. I didn't even move the yellow line to the right spot. Wow. Over 2 points, about 210 ticks total. Natural gas just took a huge dump. And Bitcoin sitting about 63.7. So that's always at standard, whatever body posture you're wanting and choosing to take today. NQ did rise up there. Even it didn't give me a blue candle, but it rose up. So looks like we want to rise up. Let's see what we can get today. News today. At the bell, right at the bell, Canadian manufacturing PMI, 9:45 U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI. 10 o'clock we get jolted. Oh, I didn't do my nice little jolt funny with my oxen today. Jolts jobs opening in U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI. So, and then we have at 10 o'clock there's a Fed speaker. 11 o'clock, sorry. That's our news today. We'll have to see. We have a historic strike going on, dock workers. And let's see if that weighs on the market at all. Pulls back a little bit. Just a little bit. Sitting here. Came out, pulling back a little bit. Looks like I could have taken that. Oh, wow. That's a big candle. 8 points. Darn it. Didn't take it, and I should have. Ouch. Pain. Nice little pullback here. I do think it's a pullback. I think we're going to continue up, but we'll see. Basing that on the 5-minute chart. And there's the bounce. See if we can break the 100. It's a struggling with the 100. Oh, sitting here waiting. Waiting. Not doing a lot right now. Gold's making that nice move up. It's yawning. That feels good. Sitting here on the 20. Not much going on. Waiting for something. Waiting. Waiting. Russell. Good morning, Rad. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with Apex. It seemed to be delayed. I was shocked to see that they extended the sale for 9 more days. I think that was just an excuse. I didn't see an uptick in sales yesterday. I mean, granted, I'm not the biggest affiliate. So maybe the bigger affiliates did see an uptick. I don't know. They're gonna start losing people. I mean, more people. Wait, what? Welcome back, Hassan. Glad to have you back. How's everything going, Hassan? Short all night. It didn't say it was a good shirt. I'm gonna take this purple if it holds. And now it's like half wick, half bodies. Now I'm not sure. Yeah, let's go for it. We're short. And I'm yawning. 5-point stop. Bounces off the band. I've had one sale ever on trade day. Even CFT says he doesn't get a lot of sales on trade day. Because they don't allow 10 or 20 accounts, and let's face it, they're tough if you get the funded and you blow it. Taking it off the table there for 5 points. Yep. And let's face it, who hasn't blown more than, who hasn't blown 2 funded accounts? It's all, trade day almost seems like the one you want to go to if you've already been through the wars and now you're a totally consistent trader, and for some reason, you still want to give a firm 10%. Looks like I got out at the perfect time there. Wow. I don't ever get that lucky. Look at that. Now taking that blue candle back up though, we'll see what happens first. So yeah, that's fine. I mean, it's hard. I'm not even sure I would put trade day in the top 10 just because of that, It's trying to rise back up after that quick dip. Might be slow until we, I don't know. We have non-farm payroll at the end of the week. We do get jolted with the JOLTS report today. Morning, Chris. I tell you, I'm going to stop talking on my videos and stuff about sales ending, because they never actually end. Apex, Flexytrade, Bulenox, Tradeify all extended their sales. That's an assumption of Bulenox, since their 90% sale is price matching Flexi, and Flexi extended. Yeah, I'm sorry, Jeff. You're right. I mean, I think they will extend it once they come in the office. They did. It does expire, but they didn't realize that Flexi was extending. Flexi didn't announce it until Bulenox was already out of the office. So I expect that to be restarted when they get into the office this morning. I don't even know if they have an office when they start work this morning. Now, Jeff, just so you know, I could be wrong, but that's what's happened every other time. By the way, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Good morning to you. I don't recognize your name, so as I say to everybody, either you're new or my Alzheimer's is kicking in. Topstep has an office. Blue Sky has a physical location. They don't go to it, but they have a physical location. We're just kind of right now. Big blue candle up, and then now it's going. So finally after that, it goes. Technical trading term. Nice little move up. So that blue candle would have worked. Nice move up. High day overnight 331. So we're still about 50 points off of there. See gold just going for the moon. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? Crude tried to bounce there. Up, back down. Natural gas bouncing. Don't ever try to actually bounce natural gas. It can become an explosive situation. I'm doing good. Excuse me. Pulls back. Morning, JC. How are you on this wonderful first day of October? I'm doing good. Back down to that 100 EMA. Nice pullback. So, okay, again, I just need to start taking these. I keep looking at these, and I talked about them yesterday. So look at this. Here's my green line. First purple candle. Look at this. Boom. 10 points. Blue candle. Pop backed up after this green line. Entry. 10 points. Green line. Entry over there. 10 points. Easy peasy. I could be up 30 points here in the first half hour. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The trigger point is a support and resistance AI-driven app or indicator. That's the word I'm looking for. But anyway, on here you can see the red lines or resistance lines. You can see how it bounced perfectly off the trigger point last night, down. And then the green lines are support. So here you can see that's the trigger point. They have other indicators out, mostly for NinjaTrader. This is one that works on TradingView. Look at this drop. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Still falling. Not afraid of falling. I have my eyelash appointment with my cosmetologist soon, Hassan. So I'll give myself lashes. Look at that fall. Look at that. Almost 30 points now. And this would have been a beautiful one to do my, do the trailing that I'm talking about, just behind each candle. Whoop, 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 whoop. I have not. Bouncing here a little bit. That's right. You're short. You're happy for this. What was your entry on that short, Hassan? Ow, damn. Yeah, about 55 minutes till the bell. You ever see that movie? 82? Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Nice little pop back up to the 9. Coming up today after my stream, video coming out. I had a coaching session with Matt from Phidias Trading. You might know Matt, who used to do Beyond the Bell for Blue Sky. Now he does Beyond the Bell for himself. See his style of coaching as we recorded the coaching session. About 45 minutes long, 45 minutes. And he's the only trading coach I recommend at this point. I'm gonna be mad at myself. See, I keep doubting these these things. Look at this. This is another. I could have got another 5, 6, 7 points off of this screen gone. What is the cost of what, Rad? Good question. I'm not sure what the cost of the one-on-one session is. He has something called the Elite Circle, which is a little group that he has that where he does live trading and also coaching during it. That's going to be on sale for $7 for 7 days. The live coaching, let me see if I have that. Not live coaching, sorry. The coaching. Yeah, it's here somewhere. I got to find it in the literally 113 tabs I have open. Elite Circle, Renko course, 25 rules of day trading. I'm not sure he has specifically. I know sometimes he throws them in with his bundles. I'll definitely check out the Elite Circle if you have a shot for that. $7 for 7 days. And let me get with him. Or you can also ask on Matt's on our Discord. You can ask how you get a actual coaching session. He's a really cool guy to work with. Very laid back. He doesn't try to. I've been coached by other people before who try to kind of force their strategy on you, and he's not like that. Hey, Robin, how you doing? I'm doing decently. And another pop-up. Another sale that was announced that I don't have up yet anywhere. Phidias, 50% off. That's a $27 end of day account. Um, Remember, we're now doing Phidias Thursdays, where I trade their account every Thursday. They allow 20 accounts. Nice rise up here. You know, I got an email the other day from Tick Tick Trader asking why I don't promote them. And this is one of the reasons I don't promote them. It's not the main reason, and I mean, I should promote them because, you know. But check this out. Now, you know how I try and keep my sheets and everything updated. Look at this. They have 5 different sales going. 100K Express Tradeify offer, 50% off Rhythmic accounts, 30% off Tradeify and CQG standard accounts, 50% off Rhythmic bundles, and a half price reset. My God, I'll be exhausted trying to keep up with Tick Tick Trader. But I do like their picture. Morning, David. How are you doing? Tick Tick does pay. Now, apparently they've had some sort of upheaval lately because I guess the company started off with 5 or 6 partners, and I guess 3 partners, including the one I had the issue with when they were my stream sponsor, has left the company and started their own company because we need to we need more companies in the industry, you know. Yawning. $45 minutes till the bell. 0 trades so far, which is absolutely stupid of me. I don't know, Hassan. I think regulation. I mean, the problem with I like regulation in some ways, but the problem is they seem to absolutely, you know, when they come in to regulate things, they seem to sometimes regulate it to the death, and I could just see, you know, regulation coming in and it totally destroying the industry. I think a lot of firms would go, and then that would end the price wars. But I think then we'll start paying back to paying hundreds of dollars for evals again. Morning, Platt. How are you? And I mean, I think that's true, Red, but I think we should always be prepared for it. You know, Topstep was counting on regulations over 2 years ago to take out Apex, and then you see what happened. They decided to go one step, one rule, and all that. And speaking of Topstep, has everybody seen the new Starter Plus plans from MyFundedFutures? Because if you have not seen them, all you gotta do is look at Topstep's plans and realize that MyFundedFutures did the same thing, which is not a bad thing. They're good plans, and I like MyFundedFutures. They are my top firm until see if Topstep ever brings me back. Going long here because I'm bored. Wait, I did take a trade, didn't I? I forget. Did I take a trade earlier? How bad is that I forget if I took a trade earlier? Yeah, I did. That's right, 5 points. I was thinking I said no trade earlier. I took a trade for 5 points. Like I said, that Alzheimer's kicking in. That's what happens when you get old, folks. I'm probably going to give that trade back here because this was an ill-advised trade to get into. Hassan, I'm disappointed in you for not throwing your body in front of me and stopping me from taking this trade. Hey, there we go. Like I said, this is a great trade. Yeah, if I just win a few points and then it can go back short again. So we got, by the way, got clarification from MyFundedFutures last night about their microscalping rule. As long as your trade is more than 5 ticks and 15 seconds, you're good on NQ. And that's an average. Like, if you have one that, some that are like that, it's fine. It's just the majority can't be that. That's from Matt himself on my Discord. I have it screenshotted if anyone ever needs it in case they have a problem. Yeah, I agree it is. Maybe I should have taken the 4 ticks. Looks like I should have. Now it's gonna nail me. Stop. Yep, stopped out there. I'll give it back most of it. Still green. Watch it bounce back up now. That's okay. Apparently Matt is suing Sage over something. I don't know. I just know Matt and Sage were going at it on my Discord the other day. Matt called Sage by his real name. Hey, look at that. Stopped me out and then popped up. That's okay. I think the starter's better. All right, Hassan. Rad 3 accounts of MyFundedFutures. And I just, the starters are cheaper. They have a set path to live. It's kind of case by case basis with the expert. The expert has a higher profit target. Now the expert has no consistency rule, but the starter plus has no consistency rule. And no daily drawdown on the expert, but the starter plus has no daily drawdown either. I probably should do a video comparing the 3 accounts. Visual Trader, I know he's talked about it. Have you seen something that makes it more concrete? Are you which 3 are you, which one are you gonna go with? The starter plus, or the expert, Red? I mean, we already have 5 firms that have instant funding. Um, I expect 10 or more by the end of the year, honestly. And I haven't even heard rumors of any new ones coming. But I see the trend. I expect it. Starter Plus has a consistency rule in the evaluation, but none in funded. The Starter Plus has $500 less drawdown on the 50K, or it has less drawdown, and slightly less drawdown than the Starter, and the Starter Plus has no daily loss limit. The Starter regular has a daily loss limit, but it doesn't fail you. And the Starter has a consistency rule in funded of 40%, but none in the evaluation, so you could pass it in one day. Jep, that's correct. I expect that to change at some point because he's been making positive changes. I've tried to convince him to change it, but so I do expect it to change at one point. But yeah, right now it's a monthly fee. $76 for the 50K all in rad if you use my code MOT to get the 5% off. And it's for the Starter Plus right now, it would be $96 all in using code MOT to get the 20% off introductory price. Yeah, Flexytrade introduced their instant funding. So the firms that now have instant funding are TickTickTrader, Fast Track Trading, Tradeify, Flexytrade, and Phidias. But no one should consider Phidias. Oh, rejection off the 100 maybe here. Let's see, coming down. Yeah, they definitely are good with that drawdown rate and the fact that there's no commissions and in the sim funded. But we definitely need to see them get caught up on payouts. I really like Tradeify. Right now, if I had to rank the 5 sim funded companies, I would rank them Fast Track, Tradeify, probably Tick Tick over Flexytrade, but just slightly. And then Phidias bringing up the end. Still rising up here. It's been a slower morning. A little less than 30 minutes till the bell. Excellent. Thank you, Jep, for letting me know. I appreciate that. Nice rise up here. I think you did a good job getting out where you did, Hassan. Uh, if anyone in here is still interested in Elite Trader funding, they just announced 85% off. So yeah, the 90% has been extended on Bulenox through the 3rd. Yeah, I mean, and they're expensive. Even even at this 85% off, they end up being. Well, let's look. Eh, they're still the once you add in the funded setup fees on the end of the day, they're still more expensive than over 50% of the other plans. Now the intraday, that's in the top 12ish. Some point today, yeah, their payout rules suck. Some point today, I'll be onboarding daytraders.com to the sheets and the companies I follow. They were started by a former Apex employee. Got so much going on. Taking the long here off this blue candle. Ooh. Nice little pop there. Right as I did. Come on, go. Go, go, go. Go back up to the top there. I'll take that. Come on. Nope. Gonna stop me out. Wow. Actually, fine. Be that way. Okay. 23 minutes till the bell. Hopefully we'll get something better after the bell. I will say that Elite Trader Funding is the only firm out there that charges affiliates to get their money. Affiliates have to pay a $40 payout fee. I don't know. Back when it was a deal, they said that's what deal charges them to do a payout. and they've never taken it away. This is the first reason I had a problem with them, because when I first started promoting them, I was actually promoting Chef's Link, for those of you who know Chef, and he's like, this is back when he was still struggling as a trader, and he was, that money was really helping his situation. And one month, they sent him, and it was like $100 payment, and they took $40 out of it, so it ended up only being $60. They hadn't even announced it; they just did it. And when he inquired, they said, "Well, we're now charged. This is what deal charges us, so we're passing that along to the affiliates." And there was no announcement about it. And then they put it in the terms or whatever. So they're the only ones that do that. If any of the what I'll call legacy firms, is the ones that have been around for a few years now, fail, it'll be them that I would expect to fail. That said, I have not heard any problems with payouts with them or anything like that for the people that can figure out how to get paid out. Morning, Ace. How are you feeling today? Ooh, look at this big pullback on gold now. Whooshy whoosh. Crude oil opened up with a little pop. Hey, USC son, how's it going? Nice to see you. Good morning, Ace. How you feeling? Anyone else feeling like it's Groundhog's Day? Can y'all believe it's the first day of October already? Yeah, I was thinking that was weird too, Red. Morning, John. Yep, I was wondering if Ace heard the train. It waited for him to arrive. John, did you see the news that Pete Rose passed away? Yeah, it's supposed to get chilly here too. It's supposed to get down into the 40s tonight. Oh, whoosh. Yeah. "83 years old." I've not heard yet, but he had just done a card show a day before, so I'm gonna assume heart attack, but I have not heard yet. I wouldn't do the short yet right now, Ace. I mean, I wouldn't do the long right now, Ace. With that move down. I have a track. It's about a block away from me. Decatur's has a big old rail yard, so we get trains often here. Yep. Wonder if there's going to start being less train traffic because of that port strike. About 15 minutes till the bell. Ooh. I miss RJ too. I've been asking myself that too. Ace asking myself that too. He's on a vacation. Golf vacation. I think he'll be back on Thursday. Stopped out. Morning, Juan. How you doing? You're a little late this morning. Everything okay? I need to add Halloween sounds to my soundboard while ignoring the Juan jokes. But look at that. Move down. Trying to decide when I want to decorate the stream for Halloween. Nice, Hassan. Ouch. Popping back up. Little pop there. A little pop from Pasadena. Still moving back up. Sounds like a rash of trades causing you to scratch. That was my bad joke of the day. A few minutes till the bell. Good job, Hassan. Like I say, it was my bad joke of the day. Not that I'm not going to say that there won't be others. Hassan, they're coming out with NKD micros. Wow, ETF went back to 20 20 sim funded accounts. I'm not sure. You know, I know they went with Edge Clear Hassan's on ETF. Um, um, yeah, two now. No, talk about an actual brokerage. Uh, wow, yeah, I'm totally drawing a blank. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Ace, ace, ace. Less than $2 an hour. Hey, Rod, if you're willing to work for $2 an hour, I'll hire you. I got some stuff that needs done. But they say green is green. A little pop there. So what do you think? Coming up or going down at the open? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. I accidentally hit the bell 2 seconds before the bell, but that's okay. Pops up, 10 points. All the way back down. So it pops up from 252 up to 266 and gives it all back. Well, this is ugly. Remember, yep, as Ace reminded us, we have news coming up. Let's see. 845 US S&P manufacturing PMI. And the bigger one, the JOLTS job openings report, coming up at the top of the hour. Along with sports and weather. Oh, right. Ace is having electrical problems. Oh, wow. Considering the intestinal issues I was having yesterday, Hassan, don't say that. Wow. Oh, wow. Just there's another. So you're short, Ace. Are you still short? And where did you get in? Mad at myself. That was a purple candle setup. Oh, well, yeah, look at gold going the opposite way. Why are you sad? Oh, wow. That's a 20-point run there, Ace. Oh, wow, Hassan. Well, at least take some solace in the fact that you were right. Well, it is October 1st, so you didn't even want to start shopping for Christmas. Hallmark movies start in just 18 days. Wow, it's still going. Okay. Maybe where it's exhausting. Take it for the 20, Ace. Not that you should ever listen to me. No, you shouldn't. This could drop another like 20 points or whatever, and I don't want to be responsible for you losing that. I mean, this is a over 100-point drop on NQ in 5 minutes. NQ showing a little green. ES still not showing green. ES is now 25 points. Ah. For Ace, that is. Oh, NQ's still red. Yeah, there's ES trying to turn green. Still red. Dude, Ace, you're coming up on 30 points. There's 30 for Ace. Move your stop before the bus. Lock in 25. Oh my God, there's 35. No. Listen to me here telling Ace how to trade. Seven minutes till news. 6 minutes till news. Slowing down here, seeing a little green. Up, back to red. Look at that. Coming down to that support line on the trigger point, which is sitting at 20063. That's still 40 points away, though. There's a bounce on ES. Ace is probably out now, but I'm not sure. Oh, right back down. Coming back. Fighting back down. We've broken 20100 on NQ. ES bobbing on 57.75. You and I both say that a lot, Hassan. What were you saying earlier about lashes? Yeah, I agree with that. And I understand that totally. Oh, maybe if Ace isn't out, he's still maybe in this run. Bouncing here. Yes, I'm trying to catch a falling knife, and it's probably not a good idea. Nope. There we go. Out. Oh, that was a little bit hairy, but I took the long at 090 out of 103, so 13 points. Thank you, Hassan. I thought it was a goner too. I put my stop at 70 and it came down to 71. And I almost DCA'd there once it started turning blue. I almost added a contract. Hope that bus comes soon. I want to know where Ace is at. Looks like I got out the right spot too. Got up to 108, 109, so I mean, what was I entered at? 1090, so I wouldn't have got 20. I was originally targeting 20. Think it's going to pop up again here. I'm ready to take another long. But I'm not 100% confident in it yet. Especially since it's getting beaten back down like a redheaded stepchild. News didn't do much. News pushed it back down a little bit there. 22-point candle. Jolt's report coming up at the top of the hour would be the bigger one. Oh, yeah. Coming back down. Okay, so there's the trigger point. Let's see what it does. I didn't think it was going to get down to that trigger point. Look at that bounce off of it. Wow, it can't get much lower in the RSI on the 5 minute. 0.45. Might get that touch of 20K there, Hassan. Seems to be pausing here right around 20.035. Wow, if Ace is still in that trade, he's now up 40 points. I don't think he is. I have a feeling he got his trailing stop hit. But if he didn't, he's up 40 points on ES. Blue candle pop, big pop. Dang it. I should have taken that doji right there. That was a good indication of a long there. It's giving about half that candle back, that blue candle. Do I take it? Do I take it? Do I take it? No, I don't. Not. It just got beat back down again. Here comes 2025, 20.025. I really hope Ace is still in this trade because I think this would be his best trade ever if he is. $20.015. Where did it knock you out, or are you still in, Ace? Nice, Ace. There you go, Hassan. 20.002. There it is. Broke 20,000. Oh, he's not cocky, Ace. He didn't actually hold the trade. He just analyzed it, but he didn't hold it. Taking the long on micros. I think I'm about to get stopped. Yeah, I got stopped before I could move my stop. Okay, no problem. I'm green by $2.90. Wow. So yeah, that blue candle was a fake out. Look at that. Glad it stopped me out before I could modify the stop. Thank you for that reminder. Yep, we're getting jolted. Look at this. Wow. What the hell, guys? Oh my God, look at that. We are down 283 points on this hourly candle. ES is down 50 points on this hourly candle. Perfect touch on support 1 there. Let's see if it bounces there. doji makes me kind of want to take it. Oh, wow. Dang, I should have. Definitely should have taken the doji. Looks like it's popping back up here now before the news. Yeah, so beautiful bounce there from 78. There's a wow. So a 60, 70 point bounce. Mad at myself for not reading that doji fast enough. Less than 2 minutes till we get jolted. Dow bouncing back up. Dow didn't, well, Dow had the fall, but it had one big pop up in the middle of it. $20 till news. Everyone got really, really quiet. Quick move down, quick move back up. Can't decide where it wants to go. It's like up. Yep, it's now regained over 100 points in the bottom. It's not sure where it wants to go now. Oops. Hit the wrong button. Sorry. That was weird. Anybody playing this price action? I figured that is. So far, cannot sustain the momentum back up. Hey, there's a pop. And a drop. Bounces off that 20. Back down. Kind of choppy with big candles now. Right back down. Is it going to make another new low? Bounced perfectly off that support on the trigger point the first time. Let's see if it comes back through. Remember, every time it hits the support, it makes it weaker. My code should work. MOT should get you 20% off. Breaks through that support. Whoosh. You're welcome and thank you. Okay, guys, apparently this fall is partially for the fact that apparently Iran is preparing a ballistic missile attack against Israel. At least that's seeing that headline on my Discord, and then also seen it that the White House has warned Iran that it will be a significant, will carry severe consequences. So this is why you're seeing crude oil shoot up. And gold, gold shot up again. Copper shooting up. So yeah, we could be on on the verge of an escalated war in the Middle East. The U.S. has indications that Iran intends to carry out a missile attack against Israel in the immediate future, according to a senior White House official cited by Axios Reveat. Still falling. Missed this blue candle pop posting something on the Discord. That makes me mad. That was perfect. Oh, that makes me really mad. That was a total miss because I was distracted. That would have been 20 points. Thank you. Down today, 1.46%. Not a big fall. It's down a total of 300 points. Hits the 9 though. Bounce, try and bounce down. Well, this purple candle bounced off the 9. Possible blue candle was trying to form there. Maybe a bounce. Keep saying that. Trying to will it to happen, I guess. Took the long. Can't figure out where my stop is. Well, maybe I don't need to worry about it. There it is. Ah, come on. Hits the 9. Really? Come on. Get back up there. Get back up there. There we go. Come on. Get some momentum up. That's not momentum up. That's momentum up. There we go. No. Come on. There. Yeah. Boom. Come on. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. No. That 9 EMA is going to be a oh, there we go. Oh, back under the 9. Really? You have an ATR that's like 25 and you can't get it. Come on. That 9 is not made of bricks. It's made of straw. Blow it down. Don't judge me for talking to my trades. Really? Now we're talking. Now we're cooking with gas. Boom. 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 Out. 27 to 55. That's 28 points. That's what I'm talking about. Now, I wish I would have kept holding, but you know, so I did have a 50-point target on it originally, and I would have got it. Almost. Yeah, now I would have got it. But I'm still happy. So we are now up. We're up 563 on the day. I had a feeling we were going to bounce. That blue candle bounce worked perfectly. And pausing a little bit here. Did everybody leave? Pulls back, purple candle again, bounces off an EMA, and I didn't take it, but that's okay. Pulls down. Uh, wow, still falling. I thought we were gonna turn around. I wonder if more news just came out. How come everyone got quiet? Like they didn't blow up the rest of the country. Like and didn't tell me, did they? Initial indications suggest possible Iranian missile attack could be at least as big as the one in April, though difficult to be certain. So remember, you've seen me deal with EG indicators at the trigger point. Uh, Doctor Levy, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. From EG indicators, the one of the co-founders is in Israel, so I hate war. I hate stuff like this. Hate not knowing if I'm all alone. Yay! Have we found another bottom? 882. Trying to see. We're now down. It's like 1.8. No, wait. Hard to read. 1.82% today. For those of you on prop firms, if this keeps dropping, and I don't think it's going to drop that much, but if it keeps dropping, just be cognizant of those limit downs. blue candle pop maybe. Long. Oh, what kind of stop do I have on this? Come on. Ah. Let's just take it to the 9. Come on down up to the 9. Nope, it wasn't ready to pop there, I don't think. I'm going to give back that last trade. Maybe not. Come on back. There we go. Target hit. 9 points. Darn, I should have had more confidence in that. Wow. But still, a 9-point trade. I'll take it. So, real quickly, let's look at this. This is my strategy with these green lines. And all these green lines are is when the RSI goes outside of the 20 or 80 range. Purple candle, this would have won. Blue candle, this would have won. This would have won. This would have won. We got into this weird area right here. Boop, boop, boop. This would have lost. This would have been the one I would have taken. That would have lost. But then we had one here. This would have won. This one ended up being a loser right here. But then this one was a winner. Then we had this big move down. This one was a loser. And we really didn't have another one. This one, didn't really count because we weren't rubbing the bands. I'm looking for band rubbers. This was actually the one, but I won't even count it. You can see here, this one would have won. And then this one would have won. Or did win. Yeah, it's a technical trading term. I like it when they're rubbing the Bollinger Bands. All right, Hassan, have a good nap. Sitting here. Purple candle. I say a purple candle off the 9 I should take, but I don't like it here. And I think I'm right. Breaks through the 9. Let's see. Ooh, big candle. Ooh, big candle. Too big for my blood now. Maybe. I don't know. It's a 35-point candle up. Excellent, USC. So you went against the grain and you did well. Nice. Long on a quick micro trade. Too many lines, I can't see it. There we go. Out. It's easy pulling back. Only have 4 points on the micro trade. I didn't trust it. We'll have to see what it would have done. That's a wonderful job. I want to say I probably agree with that with myself too. I know I'm more ready to jump in for a long reversal than a short reversal. I should have held that trade. Again, I was right, but that's okay. So still rising up here, 9:35. About 20 minutes left in this stream. Still rising up. So got down to 866. We've already recovered 80 points. To 964. Pulls back a tad. see what it wants to do here. So we have like 15 minutes left if I don't take any other trades today. I am up 756.06. Thank you. Back to being 690 away from passing this MyFundedFutures account, which I want to do before the rebill on the 10th. Yes, I do. I have Topstep, Apex, Bulenox, MyFundedFutures, Phidias, and Fast Track and Funded Futures Network. I may have forgotten one. Pulls back. I don't trade them all at once. Like, usually I do the MyFundedFutures on stream, then I'll switch over to something else after stream. And, I don't trade everything every day. Matter of fact, I trade my Apex about twice a month. I think they will, but not. But waiting to see. I thought things would start happening already, and so far they haven't. Bounces back up. Yeah, I honestly did too, because I sent out an email to bigger affiliates. It wasn't an email I seen, but it was been leaked now online anyway. That outlined some changes they were planning on making. I don't know if they just didn't get them done in time, because they extended the sale like with 1 hour to go in the sale last night. So it was like, I think the prop firm world's going to be crazy over the next 3 months. With holiday sales and changes and direct to funded and all this other stuff. I don't think they'll do direct to funded, but we'll see. Not sure about the. I mean, the $85 PA fee would be wonderful. I think if they do that, then you're not going to see 90% because the PA fees are their main source of revenue. That's a great question, Platt. I mean, I don't know. I don't see any fixes coming for whatever the issue is from Rhythmic or whatever. So I don't know how, they need to figure out a protection from it. Several of the firms said, temporary, but it's going to be interesting. I would like to see him come back. I hate the fact that Treasury traders lost the ability to trade with so many firms. Well, actually, it wasn't with Daryl Martin. It was with the second in command, Mark Skelton. I have talked with him once, and supposed to talk again, just not sure exactly when. He did tell me that the Treasury scammers took multiple six figures from Apex before they figured it all out. Absolutely agree. Ooh, look at that pop. Yeah, it wasn't as big as I thought it was, but still a nice pop. Kind of slowed down here a bit. Our ATR had fallen under 20. But yeah. nice pop. That's it. I'm not comfortable with this one. This is the one I feel could dump right back down, or just continue up and like leave me in the dust. Oh, really, Platt? I haven't tried to figure it out the exact way. I was right back down. Playing around that trigger point, see it's bouncing off of it the second time here. And I'm interested now. If it gets through the 9, I'm interested. Ouch. I hate this staying below the 20. Yeah, we gotta go long. Ooh. Burst up and then came back down. Let's see what happens. Come on. No, 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 no. Don't go against me. Don't go against me. Come on. I wanted to finish nice today. There we go. How late am I in? 32, and it's 2 points late. Apex had said something about manipulating a glitch in the data, especially on Rhythmic, that allowed them to get filled at a price that the market didn't even hit. So I don't know exactly how that works either. Back under the 9. I'm going to get stopped out. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll hang here for another minute or so, see what happens. Yep, stopped out. Okay, so that hurt, but that's okay. Anyway, we're done for the day. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for another great day of trading. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.